Hi friends, today I show you how to make cookies step by step. Subscribe our channel. Step number 1. Measure carefully. This is the golden rule of cookie baking. Follow the recipe to the T. You can always experiment with later batches, testing how alterations affect the final product, and take the time to learn how to use measuring spoons and cups properly. Step number 2. Mix the wet and dry ingredients as little as possible. You only want to mix the ingredients just enough so that the ingredients are moistened. Overmixing will allow too many of the gas bubbles from the baking soda or powder reactions to escape, while also developing the gluten in the flour, resulting in dense, tough cookies. 1 greater than. Step number 3. Check the baking soda or baking powder carefully. Using an active baking soda or powder can ruin a batch of cookies. Test baking soda by adding a little bit of vinegar, or baking powder by adding it to hot water. If the mixture doesn't bubble, throw it out and purchase a fresh box or bag. 2. Step number 4. Mix the dry ingredients first. This is especially important with the baking soda or baking powder to ensure that it's evenly distributed and make sure that you don't end up with big holes in your cookies. 2. Also, since baking powder is activated by water, you would want to wait until the last minute before mixing the wet ingredients so that the baking powder doesn't run out of juice too early on in the process. 1. This is why recipes will generally have you mix the ingredients separately in 2 different bowls first. Thanks for watching.